Welcome to this new video series on information technology for works engineers. The rapid growth of the IT sector has occupied major part of our lives. Right from groceries, education, travel planning, office working and whatnot, everything is just a few clicks away from us. Already we have got e-office, IIWCMS and many more in pipe. In the upcoming videos, we will see about utilizing the available online IT resources to improve the productivity of works engineers. Come, let's get into the video. Online complaint management system. Information technology for works engineers. In this video, we will discuss about complaint management system. That is, in the present day, how we are redressing the complaints related to building repairs, station repairs, etc. We will discuss about the present day practices. Then we will discuss about the scope for improvements in the present day practices. Then we will get a brief introduction about Google Forms and Sheets, and Google Forms and Sheets, how it will help us to bring out a solution for complaint management. And then we will see how to create online complaint management system using Google Forms and Sheets. Present day practices in complaint management. In the present day, works manager, that is works engineer, who is a complaints manager, that is he manages all the complaints. Firstly, he receives the complaints through the complaints register and petty repair books. This is the most conventional practice. With the increased use of mobile phones, physical entry of complaints in the complaint register or petty repair books by the occupants have reduced. That is, there is a lack of documentation. The second way is through complaints through mobile phones. The occupants directly calls the works engineer through the mobile phone and gives details about the repairs that has to be done in his quarter. This is felt by all concerned as the easiest and most convenient mode of reporting complaints for repairs. And the third one is complaints through WhatsApp or Telegram. This is the recent development. The most commonly adopted means of complaining in today's trend, preferred by most people. Let's see about these three ways of receiving or giving complaints in detail. Complaints register and petty repair books. Nowadays, walk-in by people for registering their complaints to the office of the works engineers has reduced. However, as per the documentation procedure, complaints are to be written in the complaints register. Hence, we need a dedicated staff to do this. Although we receive complaints through phone, the same has to be recorded and registered in the complaints register. Also, the complaint register is essential for making the monthly MCDO details. The introduction of mobile phones, WhatsApp and Telegram like social media have grabbed the attention of people, and there is a very few people who resort to making entries in the complaint register and petty repair books. Although being the stable form of complaint registration, it is less preferred by occupants. The major concern in this is poor documentation of complaints, and there is a lack of repair history. Complaints through mobile phone. Occupant directly calls through mobile phones to the works engineers and conveys the issues. In one way, occupant is highly satisfied that he has directly approached the authority. Total number of phone calls that a works engineer attends on a given day increases manifold. There are chances of missing complaints, missing of documentation of complaint. If phone calls are not attended, dissatisfaction of the occupant happens. Untimely and repeated phone calls causes stressful work environment to the works engineer. The major concerns in this type is poor documentation of complaints, stressful work environment, occupant dissatisfaction. This is an intangible one but a very sensitive one. Efficiency, mental peace and health of the works engineers gets affected. And the third one is complaints through WhatsApp and Telegram, most opted by occupants and officials. Satisfactory results are fetched. Reduced stress in working environment, occupants satisfied, improved efficiency and transparency. That is, we get the real-time photos in WhatsApp as well as through Telegram, so everybody is satisfied. But the concern here is poor documentation of complaints. Although we receive the complaints through WhatsApp as well as Telegram, again we need to resort to physical entry of these complaints in the register, which sometimes may not be done. So the only concern in this is poor documentation of complaints. So after seeing all these three things, let us arrive upon the essential features of a complaint management system. An efficient complaint management system must be most convenient to all stakeholders. both occupant as well as the works engineer. It should enable effective documentation. It should always be approachable, available, accommodating and easy to use. It should be very transparent. It should be a efficient, effective and stressless working procedure to the fullest satisfaction of occupants and results oriented. And the complaint management should be able to achieve administrative goals seamlessly. Complaints register. Let's have a look about the complaints register. Physical registers contain topmost rows with headings and other rows to be filled. In other words, headings are shorter questions. Example, where is the location of the building? Instead of such a lengthy sentence, we are replacing it with location, simple word. What is the name of the occupant? It is being replaced by name of occupant. So, rows are the places to write the answers. Therefore, registers are basically a question paper with space for answers. Physical registers are nothing but question papers. Question papers can be created using forms. Physical forms are replaced by Google Forms. So, we are going into Google Forms. Google Forms contains questions and space for feeding the answers. The answers can be short answer, long answer, multiple choice answer, numbers, photos, videos, Excel spreadsheets, PDFs, Word document or other file formats. One question paper once created can be used for many people to answer it. The answers can be directly saved in Google Sheets. In Google Sheets, Google Sheets resembles a Excel spreadsheet. The answers can be directly saved in Google Sheets on 24/7 basis round the clock, which in turn can be downloaded as Excel spreadsheets. The Google Sheets containing the answers are the registers that we intend to maintain. So, from form to Google Sheets, our registry works gets completed. Google Forms and Sheets. Google Forms serves as the interface for taking the complaints from the occupants. That is, forms are nothing but accessible complaint registers, accessible round the clock, accessible through the smartphones. Google Sheets saves all the data captured by forms and serves as the registers. Sheets are nothing but flexible registers to manage complaints and a medium for storage and analysis of data. This is the most important aspect and most important need of the administration. Google Forms and Google Sheets. Advantages of Google Forms and Sheets. It is a free online tool that allows us to collect information easily and efficiently. With Google Forms, we can create forms in few minutes. To start using this tool, we only need a Google account, the same one you need for your Gmail account. The interface is very easy to use. Any user with an average internet knowledge can create forms using this tool. Simple to use. The what you see is what you get interface makes it easy to drag and drop from elements and organize them based on actions or events. Google Forms allows us to create our own questions and see how it looks before sending it over to the recipients. We can send the link for the form to others by email, WhatsApp, Telegram, SMS and integrate it into our website or any other means. With this tool, we can get unlimited questions and answers at no cost. Google Sheets stores the feedback received so we can analyze it in detail. The forms are integrated with Google Spreadsheets, therefore, we can access to a spreadsheet view of the collected data. The general configuration of forms or surveys allows you to collect the recipient's email address and limit the answers. Google Sheets are nothing but flexible registers, can be shared with higher officials and they too can view it, give their remarks in real time. Restriction to edit the sheet, view the sheet, etc. can be controlled. The sheet and forms can be used anytime, anywhere using a smartphone with data connection. Above all, it saves time spent in phone calls, makes documentation easier and it is flexible. The documented data can be reproduced in many formats, enabling it easy for analyzing the repair works carried out in a specific period, say a month, a year, etc. So with this, we'll stop lecturing and we'll have a look at how to create the Google Forms. Thank you for watching this. As usual, save water. Suggestions are always welcome. Suggestions may be sent to a.s.ramchennai@gmail.com. Thank you.